We were on the first Halloween of the High Seas cruise on the Disney Wish, and we went to the Royal Gathering. We had a wonderful time and want to share our experience with you.
Please like and subscribe to our channel. It would be a great blessing to us. Thank you.
First, we were heading to the Concierge Lounge to get some breakfast. We got the kids all ready for the Royal Gathering, and we chose an earlier slot because we were going to Enchante lunch right after this. And you'll see a link for that video at the end of this one. We just loved the way they decorated this. I was actually blown away. It was so charming and so whimsical and very warm. We just had to take some pictures in front of it before the princesses arrived.
From time to time, a wish is made, a wish that's like a call. It is heard from friends across the seas, from kingdoms big and small.
It's basically an invite, see? A wish that calls them here to a royal kind of gathering full of merriment and cheer.
A chance for friends to join us, of the royal sort, you see.
They're summoned here to meet you for a sort of wishing spree.
Oh dear, Lady Lily.
Well, yes.
Why are we rhyming?
Oh, well, that I don't know.
Do we really need all this hullabaloo?
Well, a wish that rhymes can only work with some help from all of you.
Oh, very well then. Our friends can help with their magic. That'll do the trick. Make a wish upon that wishing star. With rhyming. Make it quick.
Wishing star, please grant this wish and pour our princess here. Our princesses are here from lands big gone.
Wishes do come true.
Oh, that's
Wonderful. Good night, chatter. No further ado, let us greet our beautiful friends. I leave it to you. Oh, I can't seem to stop, Lady Lily. Someone's put me out that candle. I take it away, Lady.
Thank you, princesses. Glide. And now, a candle. Oh, you can be glad to make them all.
We started off the royal gathering with the one and only Rapunzel. I just love how they twirl together. And Grace is just having this lovely conversation with Rapunzel. I love how intentional the characters are with the kids. They like to stimulate certain conversations with them, interact with them, and they are just so intentional with the kids. It just melts my heart every single time I see it. And I love it so much. And of course, Rapunzel is one of Grace's favorites. But her favorite is Belle. That was actually the princess that came to her last birthday party. So very excited to see Belle here. It was always a lovely surprise. And Belle was just lovely as always. Of course, again, interacting with Grace in such a beautiful way. Luke decided to not really interact with the princesses this time. I think he's kind of growing out of it. He was so sweet before he actually danced with Belle at Grace's birthday, and he was chosen as Beast at the Belle's Story at Disney World, and he got to dance with her, which was honestly the sweetest thing ever. I think I might have to do a video on that. And of course, I love just these beautiful moments where they twirl together. So touching. Some loves and hugs. Tiana is Grace's other favorite princess. She loves her dress. She loves her style. She loves that she can cook. And Grace wants to learn how to be a great cook like Tiana someday. She loves her entrepreneurial attitude, and Grace, she has that too. So they are two peas in a pod. Now Moana from Hawaii is a special place in our heart. My husband and I, we actually got married in Kauai which is where Moana, she goes to the Hawaiian Islands, but Lilo and Stitch goes to Kauai. But Grace just loves everything in Hawaii, and so do we. It's just a special place in her heart. And of course, Cinderella is the OG princess of Disney, and we love her so much. And I love how sweet and precious this moment was, how she just played with Grace and just did something a little bit different. You know, before interacting with our daughter, she was standing taking photos, but she saw our daughter on the stairs, and so she just decided to take this moment to sit down and meet her at her level and just interact with her, and that was such a beautiful way. And then it was just so touching. I just love how they improvise, and again, they meet their kids where they're at. So no matter what your personality is of your kid, you're gonna have a great time. And of course, we went over and took a picture with Cinderella later. Grace took a picture in front of her statue, and we all just sat on the stairs because of this moment together. So beautiful. Hey you guys, what did you think of the royal gathering on the Disney Wish?
Good!
Luke, you didn't really interact with the princesses this time.
Yeah, because I'm too old to be seeing them. So I just let my sister go, and I stayed back at the hotel with my
Do you remember when you danced with Belle though?
Yes. It was here at Grace's birthday party.
And?
And I had fun.
Well, where else did you dance with her?
I danced with her at Beauty and the Beast. It's like a story fairy tale
Where?
thing at Magic Kingdom, and it's at Disney World.
Did you have a good time doing that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, y'all, I couldn't help myself. I had to put it in this video. It is the cutest thing, and I cried. I cried a lot. Who wouldn't cry as a mom watching their son dance with Belle? I couldn't help but think the next time I see him dance, it's going to be with his future bride. And man, this is just a very beautiful moment. It still makes me emotional to this day, and I will always forever cherish it. Yeah.
And another thing that you guys might want to see, you guys want to see something cool, it's something about Star Wars.
Oh, well, we'll show that in a second. Hold
Okay.
on. Grace, what did you think of the royal gathering?
Good!
You liked it?
Yeah!
Now, who was your favorite princess?
All of them.
All of them?
I like
All of them? What did you like?
Rapunzel, Belle. No, there wasn't Rapunzel.
Yeah, there was. It was
yeah.
Rapunzel, Belle,
And Tiana.
Tiana, and
Moana
That's-
and Cinderella.
that's exactly the order.
Cinderella.
Yep. Now, who was your favorite?
Her and Rapunzel and Belle and Tiana.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, Luke, who's your
And
favorite?
Cinderella. My favorite was probably Rapunzel. So I know I'd show you guys the thing that I have about Star Wars, and what's cool about it is I have a lightsaber.
A lightsaber. Okay.
I'll
Well,
show
he's
you the moves that I can do.
He's now into Star Wars. Okay, Luke, show us real quick. But this video is not about lightsabers, it's about royal gathering. Yeah. So he's now past the royal gathering character stage and into, well, I guess not necessarily characters, but he's really into Star Wars. Like really into Star Wars. Do you guys think they should have a Star Wars cruise?
Yes!
Even Grace wants a Star Wars cruise. Okay, you guys, but this isn't about Star Wars. So Grace,
I wish there can be a Star Wars ship.
that would be pretty cool. Okay, Grace, one last statement. What was your favorite royal gathering? Was it on the Wish or the Fantasy?
Let me think about it.
The Wish?
Fantasy.
Fantasy. Okay.
Both.
Both. Okay. Now, You've been to Royal Gathering on every cruise ship. Would you want to do it every single time or no?
Fantasy?
No, would you want to see the princesses every time you go on the cruise ship?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, so make sure you guys book your Royal Gathering, especially if your kids are young, like this little young lady, because they just love it. Okay. Hey, Grace, anything else you want to say?
I love you guys and bye.
Oh, that's good. That's nice. Okay, y'all, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed our video on the Royal Gathering. Here's a screenshot of the video I referred to earlier. You can find it on our YouTube channel, Feely Family Fun. As always, we are very blessed to share our content with you. We hope that it was interesting, and we hope you have a lovely day. And again, always enjoy your family time. It is the best time. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It would be a great blessing to us. Thank you.